Welcome back, Freedom Savers. This is just a quick update on my aggressive taxable account. This is Friday, and it's time for the portfolio update. I'm going to also include some news in here based on the stocks for this particular portfolio. So here we go. Total value of my portfolio is $257.04. I currently have $25.02 in cash. The reason for that is, as I was saying before, I'm only depositing $25 per week on Mondays. But Monday is Veterans Day, which is a bank holiday. It's not a market holiday. The market will still be open for trades. So what M1 does is they take, if you have a scheduled deposit for Monday, a holiday, they will take the amounts that's scheduled for that holiday out the previous Friday or previous day, I guess. Mine have always been on Monday and Friday. Anyway, long story short, this $25 they took from I've deposited today is actually my Monday deposit. And Monday is when they'll actually do the trades and purchase stocks. Overall holdings, if you can see, my biggest loser is CVR Energy. Now, CVR Energy is owned by the same guy, same billionaire, who owns Pep Boys. There is some controversy in the news right now with him. I'm not sure whether it was about like insider trading, I think. Something to the effect of, he did something to make millions of dollars off of something. Anyway, long story short, it's not going anywhere. The guy owns multiple businesses, and it's just another controversy in the short term. That's all that is. I'm holding on to it. It is my biggest loser, but that's okay. It'll come back. Energy isn't going anywhere. I mean, come on. Ford has some news. Let's come over here to Ford. They're buying an e-scooter startup called Spin. Yeah, so they're getting into the e-scooter business apparently. Ford is weird. They just, I don't know. Their management's making decisions that I'm not saying are bad. They could be very good in the long run, but they're just weird. They're doing odd stuff, but it's good that they're trying to branch out. So we'll see how that goes. AT&T, there's some news in them as well, and you're gonna love this stuff. AT&T, the Satanic Temple is suing Netflix for $150 million. Now, they're suing Netflix and Warner Brothers, which is owned by AT&T, for $150 million because there's a controversy that they used the Baphomet, I don't even know how to pronounce the word. It's basically like the cross in Christian religions, and they somehow think that's copyrighted or patented. I mean, that's like saying the cross is patented. So good luck with that, guys. Satanic Temple, good luck. But that was interesting. The other thing in AT&T is they're in talks with NBC Universal to try to collaborate and get some licensing and film TV programming going for a streaming service that they're working on. That's good to see that AT&T's trying to push out that new acquisition of Time Warner and do something positive with it and make some major profits. PGS Foods, I've got no news on that one. It's good to go. Gladstone, good to go. Vector, good, not good news on that one. The frickin' FDA is doing all kinds of weird crap with that one. I don't think I got it in here anymore. I think I deleted it. Oh, it's right there. They're banning or they're limiting sales of e-cigs. So basically, all e-cig flavors except for basic tobacco flavors will be banned from being sold in like convenience stores and grocery stores. You'll have to purchase those online. This supposedly is supposed to prevent kids and stuff from, I don't know, it's ridiculous to me because taking it out of stores isn't going to stop kids from smoking it. I don't understand. But anyway, so that's going to obviously affect sales of cigarette companies, and I own two. I own MO, which is Altria, which is the Marlboro brands and some others. And then I own Vector in my aggressive portfolio. I own Altria in my Roth. Vector Group is my other cigarette one. Now, here's the other problem is the FDA is also proposing to ban all menthol cigarettes, like period, or at least in the stores. Again, to reduce the teen smoking. Really? Really, guys? You don't think teens smoke regular cigarettes, only menthol? I don't know. It's ridiculous to me. But we'll see how that shakes out. But for now, Vector's up. You got to remember they are a real estate company as well as a cigarette company, which I find very interesting. So I like that. But yeah, that's my current holdings and the current values, or my current gains and losses approximately, because you know how M1's calculations are. So those are my current gains and losses approximately based on M1's calculations, which, is fine. So yeah, that's the update on the aggressive taxable and some news going on with those particular stocks in my portfolio. Hope you enjoyed. Keep investing, guys. All right, guys, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Be sure to hit that subscribe button down below, and if you liked the video, hit that like button for me. If you want to hear any specific type of information, anything that you're interested in, you have any questions, just drop me a comment down below. Let me know what you think. Let me know your opinions on this video or any other video I've made. And if you know anyone else that might be interested in this video, please be sure to share it on your social media and share the knowledge. Thanks, guys.